Now start looking this question is Palindrome number. So given an integer x return true if x is palindrome and not return 4 otherwise. So let's see how many can ask this question even though this question is easy level. Now it's still so many can ask this one, so you can prepare. And then let's see the first example. So it's return true because 1 to 1 read as 1 to 1 from left to right and right to left. Yeah. And the second example is negative 1 to 1. You can see so we can get idea here is if the number is next 0, so we just return 4. We don't need to think too much, right? And here if we convert this one, is we get a 0 1. So it's not palindrome. And then when I saw this question, my first idea is we can use the we can convert the integer to the string, right? But I saw here the follow up say could you solve it without converting the integer to a string? Okay. Now we can using now we don't need to using the string. Now here we can use the convert. This one how to do that I will show you here. How to reverse this here we already I already mentioned here is negative 1, right? And negative. So we just return 4. We don't need to think too much here. So 1 second. So now let's become positive. Now here one step we can get the reverse integer. First one, we have two sides we can use. One is mod and the next one. So how to get the last digit? Because we need to read from right to left, right? So we must be to get last digit. So we can use the mod. So 100, this one mod by 10, we will get the last digit. Right, we will get the last one, and then after we get the last digit. 1 second, let me come back. When we get last digit, we need to do one thing in the sum. So need to times to 10 plus last digit. So we will get 1. So time 0 times to 10, we gonna 0. 0 plus 1, we gonna 1. So here in the sum become 1. And then now we need to get this part except last digit. So we can use the divide by 10. So here we can 121 divided by 10. So we will get 12. So last digit will be removed. Now we just keep doing this process, and then we will get the reverse digit. Now here we got this one is our remainder. So we do the same thing. We just multiply by 10. So we got the last digit. So and then we need to do here times to 10 plus 2. And here we got 12, right? Now let me remove this one. And then the 12 divided by 10, we will get only 1 is the remainder. 1 second. Okay. The 1 is the remainder. Now we just keep doing the same step. Multiply by 10, we got the last digit. So times to 10 plus 1, we got 121. Right? It's our final result. We get this one. And then one thing we need to take care, so we need to check the constraint. So you can see it's the maximum value, right? So when we try to reverse this, the test case may contain the maximum value. If we try to convert, the final number will be over the maximum value. So here we have to use the wrong type. Because we know wrong is bigger than integer, right? So we must be use the wrong type. Now let's code it up. So we need to check if x next name 0. So we know it cannot, even though we can convert to the different side, but still, so you can see here in the example, right? So we got the 1 to 1 minus. So it's always it's 4. No matter if always 4, right? We just return 4. And then we have wrong type sum. And finally, we need to check sum equal to x. If yes, and then here we need to create number x. If sum equal to x, which means, okay, this is palindrome. So we need to return true, otherwise return 4. Now we need to use the while rule. So x greater than 0, and then digit, or we can say last digit. And x divided by is multiplied by 10. So we need to get the last digit and the remainder. So x, it's not x, it's sorry, it should be now. Now divided by 10. So we get the remainder, and then sum times 10 plus last digit. So it should be lowercase. Now, okay, we just keep doing this one, but we still need to check if the sum greater than the main value over sum less than integer, which is directly return 4. Okay, time limit. Okay, here's not remainder, sorry. It should be none. Okay, you can see in the past the on test case, let's run it. Okay, for this time capacity is b of n because I only go through each digit only once. And then space capacity is b of 1 custom time, right? Because I didn't use actual memory. So thank you for